Dear learners of Standard 8, welcome back to my today's online class. Hope that you all are safe and sound at home by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Today, I am going to discuss a new chapter. What is this? Okay, let's see. From your science book, chapter 13. What are you observing here? Different types of food, isn't it? The living organisms is the main source of food, and we depend on these food items. Food is mainly composed of different compounds. Basically, there are 6 major ingredients in the food, and if we divide the food ingredients, we can get 2 types of elements, that is the organic and inorganic. So, organic based foods, the protein, carbohydrate, fat, and inorganic vitamins, minerals, and water. So, we get food mainly from plants and animals. By food, we mean the organic elements and used for growth of the body and production of energy for living beings. So, today I am going to discuss the chapter Food and Nutrition. Dear learners, at present there are thousands of species of animals living in this world, and they show variation in their shape, size, and characteristics as well as in lifestyle, nature, food, and food habit. So, this food is very essential for growth, energy, and livelihood of every animal. If we want to keep our body healthy and sound, food is essential, because this adequate knowledge about food and nutrition is the precondition of healthy and sound body. So, today you will know something about the food and food items. Let's see, what is food? Substance consisting essentially of protein, carbohydrate, fat, and other nutrients used in the body of an organism to sustain growth and vital processes and to furnish energy. I told you previously, that is, there are 6 major elements in the food: protein, carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, minerals, and water, which are very essential for growth and development of an organism, and which produce energy to do the work. So, we eat organic compounds like the protein, carbohydrate, fats, oils, etc. as food, and we get nutrition from this food. So, we can say organic compounds which are used by organisms for their growth, repair, and production of energy are called food, and from these foods living beings get what? Nutrition. Follow. What are you observing? Here the motor engine, and to run this motor engine, what is needed? Different types of fuels. So, what are these fuels to run an engine? Coal, diesel, petrol, natural gas, etc. are used. Can you say what these fuel are used for? These fuel are burned to produce energy. This energy provides speed to the vehicles, and these vehicles are kept running by this energy. So, types of fuels. Fuels are of 3 main types. They are solid, liquid, and gaseous fuels. Solid fuels, say for example, wood, coal, charcoal. Liquid fuels, kerosene, petrol, diesel, and gaseous, CNG, compressed natural gas, LPG, biogas, hydrogen, etc. So, example of solid fuels. This is wood, pieces of wood, coal. Then liquid is kerosene. To lit the lamp we need the kerosene. Then diesel or petrol. CNG, we use this type of auto, the CNG or LPG. Then biogas or hydrogen based gas. So here different vehicles are kept running by this energy which is provided by the fuel. Like this, the human body is compared with an engine, and like other engines, energy is needed to run our human body. So from where we can get this energy? Food fulfills the need of nutrition in our body to supply the energy. So living organisms is the main source of food. Here colorful fruits and vegetables you are observing, from where we can get different types of vitamins, minerals. Protein based food which we collect from the animal. Then here the grains, plant based and herb species, healthy oils. We can get the fats or lipids. So here this we get the nutrition. After to get the nutrition we must have to take the food. Here follow functions of food in our body. So the ingredients of food elements or nutritive substance present in food to perform mainly three functions in our body. That is growth, repair and maintenance of the body, which helps to the growth and development of the body. If any tear and wear occur in our cell, that must be repair and maintenance the body. Then provide heat and calorie to do the work, that means provides energy. Then food also prevent disease, ensure sound health and control the metabolic activities of the body, that is internal organisms, internal body organs which perform the different types of internal activity inside the body, such as the digestion system. Here you are observing the lungs, stomach, then the large intestine, small intestine, etc. Then these metabolic activities, this digestion, respiration, excretion, etc. Now you will know about the calorie. So one after another I will tell you the calorie, then metabolic activities, then I will provide you the little bit knowledge about the digestion, respiration and excretion. What is calorie? A unit of energy often used as a measurement of the amount of energy that food provides. So calorie is the unit of energy. There are about 50 calories in an apple. So follow what? If you eat 100 gram apple, you will get 52 calories. Then per 100 gram avocado, then 160 calories we can get. Then per 100 gram from the 100 gram banana, we can get 89 calories. And per 100 gram blueberry, we get 57 calories. So this calorie, the unit of energy. Now metabolic activity. This metabolic activity begins with ingestion, that is when food is taken into the body, metabolic enzymes come into play during digestion, and when food is broken down in the body through a process called hydrolysis. During this hydrolysis process, starch or the carbohydrate base food become sugars, then proteins become amino acid, fats become the fatty acids and glycerol, and nucleic acids become nucleotides. So when I will tell about the carbohydrate, protein, fat, I will discuss. So this hydrolysis process helps to break down the food, major food items into the small parts, that is nutrition, to get the nutrition. And this nutrition is a process. In this process, food having eaten is digested and complex food stuff is broken up into simple elements, and all these simple elements are absorbed in human body. This metabolism is the set of life sustaining chemical reaction in organisms. What is digestion? This digestion is the breakdown of large insoluble food molecules into small water soluble food molecules so that they can be absorbed into the watery blood plasma. And after digestion the food, we get the healthy body and we can get the energy to provide the work or to do the work. Digestion is a form of catabolism that is often divided into two processes based on how food is broken down. These two processes, mechanical and chemical. So mechanical process, what? The term mechanical digestion refers to the physical breakdown of large pieces food into smaller pieces, which can subsequently be accessed by digestive enzymes. And chemical digestion, enzymes break down food into the small molecules that body can use. So digestion, this is a form of catabolism. This is mainly two processes, that is the mechanical and chemical. This mechanical, after chewing the food, this is the physical breakdown, large pieces into turns to small pieces, and another one the chemical digestion, that is enzymes help to break down the food. And after that, in physiology, respiration is the movement of oxygen. You know about the photosynthesis, respiration. So in physiology, what happened? Respiration is the movement of oxygen from the outside environment to the cells within tissue and the removal of carbon dioxide in the opposite direction. But the physiological definition of respiration, what? Differs from the biochemical definition. So now biochemical definition we are learning here, which refers to a metabolism process by which an organism obtains energy in the form of ATP and NADPH. So this biochemical definition, what? That is refers to a metabolic process, internal process by which an organism obtains the energy. So we get the energy in which form? ATP and NADPH, by oxidizing the nutrients and releasing waste products. This, what is the ATP? This ATP is the adenosine triphosphate, which is an organic compound and hydrotrope that provides the energy to drive many processes in living cells. Now what is NADPH? It's a typical coenzyme used in reduction reaction. Follow, here you are observing this equation of the photosynthesis process. Follow, the carbon dioxide and water in presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, which produce the carbohydrate based food. That means the presence of element carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, sugar, and as a byproduct release the oxygen. So here NADPH follow, when this sugar are created during photosynthesis, these carbon molecules are chained together and using the energy from the sunlight, and NADPH function is transferring these electrons and a hydrogen displaced by the energy of sunlight. Then what is excretion? This excretion is a process in which metabolic waste is eliminated, that is expelling waste matter from an organism. And in vertebrates, this is the primarily carried out by the lungs, kidney and skin. This is the excretion process. So we learned from there, that is the ingredients of food and nutritive substance present in food to perform three functions I told you, that is the growth, repair and maintenance of the body. Second one was to provide heat and calorie, and third one, that is prevent disease, ensure sound health and control metabolic activities. So these metabolic activities I told, such as the digestion, respiration and excretion, etc. So dear learners, today up to this, next day I will discuss with you about the nutrition and nutrition value. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed at home. Thank you all.